Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, I welcome you in this social class. As we are doing our S7 revision till 5th lesson, we have completed our objective bits and revision practice work of objective art. Now we will going to learn about the 6th lesson, that is the Southern Plateau. So we will see our objective bits, students, here. So the first one, what they are asking you, they are asking about the fill in the blank. So first one is the Chota Nagpur Plateau area is rich in dash. The Chota Nagpur Plateau area is rich in minerals. Second one, the Dash River, the Dash and its tributaries are the most important source of water and power of Tamil Nadu. The Dash and its tributaries are the most important source of water and power of Tamil Nadu. Answer is Kaveri River. Third one, Ranchi is the capital while Jamshedpur is the largest city of Dash. Ranchi is the capital while Jamshedpur is the largest city of Jharkhand. Fourth one, the river Dash and Dash drop into the Arabian Sea. The rivers Dash and Dash drop into the Arabian Sea, Narmada and Tapi. Fifth one, the Dash Plateau lies towards the south of river Narmada and the Satpura range. The Deccan Plateau lies towards the south of the river Narmada and the Satpura range. B. Underline the correct answers. First one, Chota Nagpur Plateau is part of the Central Highlands. Chota Nagpur Plateau is a part of the Central Highlands. Second one, Karnataka is a chief source of gold and silver. Karnataka is a chief source of gold and silver. Third one, this flows into the Arabian Sea, Narmada. This flows into the Arabian Sea, Narmada. Fourth one, Tamasha is a type of dance drama from Maharashtra. Tamasha is a type of dance drama from Maharashtra. Fifth one, Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. NCBIT, they are asking about the name the following. So the first one, two major rivers that flow through Maharashtra, Dash and Dash, Godavari and Krishna. The two major rivers that flows through Maharashtra, Godavari and Krishna. Second one, three important cities of Karnataka. Three important cities of Karnataka, Bengaluru, Mysore and Husli. The three important cities of Karnataka, Bengaluru, Mysore and Husli. Third one, the highest waterfall in India, Shravati River. The highest waterfall in India, Shravati River. Fourth one, two important rivers of the Plateau region, Dash and Dash. Two important rivers of the Plateau region, Kaveri, Narmada or Tapi. Okay. Fifth one, a famous lake in Odisha, Chilika. A famous lake in Odisha, Chilika. Okay. So students, you have to do this in your homework book, each one 2 times. Practice it well, learn very good. Well, I hope you have understood what I am saying you. This is a practice work for S7. Do it well, students. Thank you and best of luck for your exam.